tired of feeling stressed, overwhelmed and unhappy? Do you wish to live a life filled with joy, contentment and happiness? Look no further, because today we will be exploring the secrets of leading happy life backed by scientific research studies. So buckle up and let's get started. Before proceeding ahead, make sure to subscribe to this awesome channel and hit the bell icon. Importance of positive thinking. According to research, a positive mindset plays a significant role in determining our happiness and well-being. A study published in the journal Emotion found that people who practiced positive thinking experienced increased happiness, reduced stress, and improved physical health. Positive thinking helps us focus on present moment, practice what we have, and look for the good in every situation. The power of social connections. Our relationships with others play a crucial role in our happiness. Studies have shown that people who have a strong social connection have better mental and physical health and a higher level of happiness. A study published in the journal PLOS ONE found that people who had a strong relationships with family and friends had better mental health and lower rates of depression compared to those who had weaker social connections. The benefit of exercise. Exercise is not only good for our physical health, but it also has a positive impact on our mental well-being. Research has shown that physical activity releases endorphins, which are the feel-good hormones that can improve our mood and reduce stress. A study published in the journal Frontier in Psychology found that regular exercise was associated with increased happiness and life satisfaction. The importance of gratitude. Gratitude is another key factor in leading a happy life. A study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that people who practice gratitude experience increased level of happiness, improved relationships, and better mental health. Keeping a gratitude journal, expressing gratitude to others, and focusing on what we are thankful for can help us cultivate a positive attitude and lead a happier life. Living a happy life is not just about having good things happen to us. It's about how we choose to respond to life challenges. By adopting a positive mindset, strengthening our social connection, exercising regularly and practicing gratitude, we can improve our happiness, well-being and overall quality of life. So that's it for today. If you are interested in learning more about how to live a happy life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new content. Let's start our journey towards happiness together.